Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how to solve and prove simultaneous equation. So what you need to do is first you need to solve for these values, for these constants. So let me start. Ufana unge uchifananidza these values ndozvandoedza kuda kureva. Ufana unge uchifananidza these values so that we'll be left with the value to one constant like x or y. So to do that unofana unge uchifananidza these values tinema constants, right? So let me start now. I'll start by here by multiply by 2, here by multiply by 4, right? I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So by putting this, either you do what you like. Either you multiply here by 1 by 2, so that when you multiply these values that are here, like 1 by this, it will remain the same, right? But if you multiply here by 2, you see here you'll be able to get 4, which will be the same with this value, you see. So I'll start by this value that I'm using. 4 by this one, I'll get 20x, right? 4 by 2y, I'll get negative 8y. Don't forget to put a negative sign here. Then 4 by 26 give us 104, right? 104, right? Then 2 by this give us 6x, right? 2 by this give us positive 8y, which is equal to this by this give us 0, right? Then as you can see now panapa pane mavalues akafanana, meaning tane way forward, tane kwata kuenda ndika. So panapa ati subtract, because if you subtract here, tika subtract panapa mavalues atizosarwa tine one constant atinge tirosarwa nayo, I mean x or y. So we have to add here. We have to add here, right? I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Then 20 by this give us 26x. Then this by this give us 0. As we say, minus 8y plus this one give us 0, which is equal to 104 plus this give us 104 here, like this. So now what we need to do is solve for x. So we'll be saying 20 by this was 26x, which is 26x, which is equal to 104. So now we divide here both side by 26, both side by 26. Here we'll be left with x equals to was here 26 into this one. I've been like 4, yeah, if I'm correct. Yeah, I've been like 4. Yeah. Now we have the value for x. Now is mind kuti kwanise kusolve for the another value. So for another value, I'm gonna use you plug into this question that you are given. Either this one. You choose what you want, where you want to plug it. So I'll plug it here, since here this question is a 0 value. So I'll use this one, this second equation. So I'll say 3x, let me write the equation first, plus 4y equal to 0, like this, right? Like this. Then I'll substitute my x value, like 3 by 4. This x value will present the x will be plugged in here where the x is found, plus 4y equals to 0, like this, as we can see. Then 4 by this, 4 by 3 by 4 gives us 12 here, plus 4y equal to 0, right? Then here we transpose this value to the right side, meaning 4y equals to 0 minus 12. As it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative, since here it is positive. Then we'll be saying 4y equals to minus 12, because minus 0 minus 12 equals minus 12. Then 4y divided, we divide, first let me write it. Then here, right now, we divide both sides by 4. Then y will be equal to negative 3, right? By doing so, we have all the values that we need. So now we are going to prove by using these values that we got, right? So I'll write this question. The first question says 5x minus 2y equals 26. How are you going to prove this one? All you need to do is to take these values that you worked out, right? Like here will be 5 by 4x minus this value 2, this y value that we got by minus 3 here equals to 5 by this we get 20 here, then minus 2 by this, it gives us negative 6 here. Okay, give us negative 6, right? By giving us negative 6, 20 minus and minus give us positive, meaning it will be 20 plus 6 here, it equals to 26. As you can see, this value, like as you can see, it approver, we have proven that my value at our 9 are equal to 26, and this will show that we have worked the right answer. Then we go to the next one, which says 3x plus 4y equal to 0. So here we start by plugging in like we did before, like 3x, 3 by 4, which represent x, plus 4 by negative 3 by negative 3, right? Then 3 by this one, it gives us 12, right? It gives us 12 plus 4 by this one give us negative 12, like this one, which equal to this by 12 by this one, positive and positive, it gives us positive and negative, it gives us negative, so it will be 12 minus 12, which equal to 0. As you can see here, we have proven in the solve. You should saturoti apa tizisanizwa kuti kufanira kubuda muexam chitoziva kuti apa zvandaita izvi ndo zviri correct, izvi zvandaita izvi ndo chaizvo. So kuti uite izvozvo, but izvi hazvidi kuzoitwa pamuzama, unofanira kungozvijaira kuti usagara uchiweka ma wrong answer. So thank you for watching. If you like me to continue, please comment.